All right, guys, what's up? So update video. I know some of you all are big single track fans, and I haven't been putting any single track videos up for a while because I've been so crazy with MX, but that's gonna change today. We're gonna hit the single track today on the KX, and I've been riding the KTM 350, so I hadn't ridden the KX in almost a year, not since I won that 30C race at Burning Rock. But here it is today, and we're gonna go back out there and hit it. I'm going to give it a good look over today at the shop, change the transmission oil again, make sure everything's good, and I'm finally going to get this motocross tire off the front. You guys know I've been riding off-road with an old Michelin MH3 hard compound motocross tire from 2008, and this is not good for single track. So over here, I've got a Dunlop Geomax AT81F. I'm not a huge Dunlop guy, but I do like the AT81 pretty well, and this tire was just able to get a smoking deal on it because it was a takeoff on a new bike. And this is what I'm most excited about. I got the Nuatech Nitro Mousse front mousse system. So you guys know I already have a mousse in the rear and absolutely love it. There's just something about being out on the single track and knowing that I can't get a flat. There's no way a flat tire can ruin my day. So we're gonna go to a mousse in the front. This is the regular compound, not the soft, but it's what we had in stock, so it's gonna do fine. Anything's gonna feel way better than this. So pretty excited about putting in some miles on this thing, guys, because since I rode it last year, I now have a new rear sprocket where my other one had teeth broken off. I've got this custom seat concept seat. If you guys remember, this was a kit because they don't make a seat for a KX250. This was a KX250F seat that we made work on a KX250 seat pan, and we'll hopefully make it bearable for 30 or 40 mile ride, where before it was pretty much unbearable. So we've got that, and we've got the FMF Q Stealth. I haven't got to ride with either. Do have a gnarly that's going to go on it soon, just haven't had time to swap it over yet. So we've got some new products to enjoy. Got some sponsor stickers on here: P3, Dango, Oxbow. Just a few of my favorite companies, check them out. But yeah, just want to let you guys know, you guys that like single track, like the scenic riding videos, don't worry, because I'm gonna have some stuff popping up over the next few weeks as soon as the moto videos are done from Pro Sport. So thanks for sticking around, thanks for watching all the videos, appreciate you guys, and we'll see you out on the trail.